Let's talk about Google Sheets. This tool from Google lets you create spreadsheets and keep them in the cloud, which basically means that you have access to them from everywhere. In other words, using Google Sheets is like using Microsoft Excel, with the big difference that this one is totally free and the changes are made in real time, so you can start using it right away because it doesn't require you to download it and install it, not even a membership. It's a huge advantage. It's a web because it's a web application, or like most people call it, it's an app in the cloud. But what does it mean? Well, it means that you can read, edit, export, and share your files on the go without worrying about what cell phone you have or where you're located. This is incredible because now you don't have to think which computer is the best for your company or what tablet is the right for your business. Because no matter what device you use, Google Sheets is gonna work for you.